Hey everyone, ready to capture stunning aerial views and take your photography or videography to new heights? Today, we're looking at the top 10 best drones with cameras on Amazon, and let me tell you, some of these pics come packed with features you won't want to miss, from high-resolution cameras to advanced flight modes and beyond. Make sure to watch till the end, because I've saved a drone with an incredible feature that could be the game changer for any creator. And for your convenience, I've included links to each of these drones in the description, so you can check them out anytime. If you're passionate about the latest in tech and photography, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our updates. Alright, let's get started and find the perfect drone to elevate your aerial shots. Number 10, Holystone HS720. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Holystone HS720. Imagine this, it's a perfect sunny day, and you're at the park with friends, ready to capture some amazing footage. You launch the HS720 into the sky, and with its 4K camera and GPS-assisted flight, you're able to get stunning aerial shots without breaking a sweat. As it hovers effortlessly above, you can snap photos or record smooth videos, all while enjoying the great outdoors. Plus, its foldable design means it fits easily in your backpack, perfect for spontaneous adventures. Number 9, DJI Mini SA. At number 9, we have the compact DJI Mini SA. Picture yourself traveling to a beautiful destination, eager to document every moment. This little drone weighs less than a pound but packs a punch with its impressive camera capabilities. With up to 30 minutes of flight time, you can explore and shoot stunning aerial views without worrying about battery life. It's perfect for those who want high-quality footage without the hassle of bulky equipment, just grab it and go. Number 8, Potensic D80. Coming in at number 8 is the versatile Potensic D80. Imagine this, it's a family gathering, and everyone is having a blast. You want to capture those special moments from above. With its 1080p HD camera and adjustable angle, this drone makes it easy to get that perfect shot every time. Plus, its user-friendly app means even your kids can join in on the fun. And if you're worried about crashes? Don't be. Its durable design can handle a few bumps along the way. Number 7, Snapton SP350. At number 7 is the fun-loving Snapton SP350. Picture this, it's a weekend barbecue, and you want to impress your friends with some cool aerial shots. The SP350 is equipped with a 720p HD camera that captures great footage while being super easy to fly even for beginners. With features like altitude hold and one-key takeoff/landing, anyone can become an expert pilot in no time. Your friends will be amazed at how effortlessly you capture those unforgettable memories. Number 6, DJI Air 2S. Sliding into number 6 is the powerful DJI Air 2S. Imagine being on vacation in a stunning location and wanting to capture breathtaking landscapes. This drone features a massive 1-inch sensor that shoots stunning 20MP photos and records video in up to 5.4K resolution. Its advanced obstacle sensing technology means you can fly confidently without worrying about crashing into trees or buildings. You'll feel like a professional filmmaker as you create stunning content that will wow your friends and family. Number 5, Roku F11 Pro. Claiming our 5th spot is the impressive Roku F11 Pro. Picture this, you're out exploring nature, and you want to document every moment of your journey. With an incredible flight time of up to 30 minutes and a 4K camera that captures crystal clear images and videos, this drone is perfect for adventure seekers. Plus, its GPS capabilities ensure stable flights and precise positioning, so you can focus on capturing those epic views without any stress. Number 4, Hubsan H501SX4. At number 4 is the feature-rich Hubsan H501SX4. Imagine exploring new areas while capturing stunning aerial footage with this drone's built-in HD camera. With GPS-assisted flight modes and Follow Me functionality, it keeps up with your adventures while ensuring those epic shots are perfectly framed every time. Whether you're hiking or biking, this drone will be your trusty companion, ready to document every thrilling moment. Number 3, DJI Mavic Air 2. At number 3 is the remarkable DJI Mavic Air 2. Picture this, you're at a breathtaking cliffside location during sunset, ready to capture nature's beauty from above. This drone features powerful camera capabilities that shoot stunning 48MP photos and up to 4K video at 60 frames per second. With intelligent shooting modes like Smart Photo and Focus Track, getting that perfect shot has never been easier. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to take anywhere, ideal for travel enthusiasts. Number 2. Auto Robotics EVO Lite Plus. Almost at the top. At number 2 is the incredible Auto Robotics EVO Lite Plus. Imagine hiking through a breathtaking national park, ready to capture nature's beauty from above. With its massive sensor capable of shooting up to 50 MP photos and incredible low-light performance, this drone will help you create stunning imagery no matter where you are. Its long flight time means more opportunities for capturing those unforgettable moments without constantly worrying about battery life. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. And finally, taking our top spot at number 1 is none other than the phenomenal DJI Mavic 3. Imagine having a drone that not only captures jaw-dropping aerial shots but also offers professional-grade features like dual camera systems with a Hasselblad camera that shoots up to 20 MP photos and stunning video in up to 5K resolution. With advanced obstacle avoidance technology and an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes, this drone is perfect for serious filmmakers or anyone who wants to elevate their photography game. And that wraps up our top 10 drones with cameras on Amazon. Whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade to a professional level, I hope you found the perfect drone to capture those breathtaking views. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, it helps support the channel. And remember, I've added links to all these drones in the description below, so feel free to check them out and find the best one for your needs. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you won't miss any of our latest tech reviews and tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.